Alec Baldwin put himself in a box claiming he didn't pull the trigger, Mark Garagos. Criminal defense attorney Mark Garagos discusses the charges filed against Alec Baldwin in the shooting of Halyna Hutchins on the story. Alec Baldwin pleaded not guilty to involuntary manslaughter in connection with the death of cinematographer Halyna Hutchins. Baldwin entered his plea on Thursday, waiving his first appearance in court, according to documents obtained by Fox News Digital. The former 30 Rock actor was set to appear virtually in court Friday at 12 p.m. ET. Alec Baldwin likely to roll the dice and go to trial after fatal Rust shooting, experts. Alec Baldwin pleaded not guilty to involuntary manslaughter on Thursday. Alec Baldwin pleaded not guilty to involuntary manslaughter on Thursday. Mega. His conditions of release prohibit him from possessing firearms or other dangerous weapons. The actor is also not allowed to consume alcohol, which should not affect Baldwin, who has been sober since 1985. Baldwin's contact with potential witnesses in the Rust case is limited as well, and he is not allowed to discuss the incident with them. He is only allowed to contact them in the capacity of related or unrelated business matters pertaining to finishing the filming of the movie, according to the documents. Related business matters refers to finishing the film, promoting the film and other activities, while unrelated business matters refers to other business-type relationships Baldwin may have with witnesses. Representatives for Baldwin did not immediately respond to Fox News Digital's request for comment. Baldwin's decision to waive his first appearance comes after a victory in the legal case. On Friday, prosecutors chose to drop the firearms enhancement that had been tacked onto one of the actor's involuntary manslaughter charges. His lawyers argued the enhancement was a basic legal error made by the prosecution, explaining that the law did not exist when the shooting took place. Alec Baldwin's first words to detectives revealed as cops release trove of Rust files video. Alec Baldwin scores win in Rust fatal shooting case as drops firearm enhancement. Why prosecutors charged Alec Baldwin video? The prosecution claimed the enhancement had been dropped to avoid further litigious distractions in the case. In order to avoid further litigious distractions by Mr. Baldwin and his attorneys, the district attorney and the special prosecutor have removed the firearm enhancement to the involuntary manslaughter charges in the death of Halyna Hutchins on the Rust film set, Heather Brewer, spokesperson for the district attorney, told Fox News Digital. The prosecution's priority is securing justice, not securing billable hours for big city attorneys. Baldwin's attorneys have also requested the special prosecutor be removed from the case. The legal team previously argued that Andrea Reeb could not simultaneously serve as the special prosecutor and as a member of the New Mexico House of Representatives. Doing so vests two core powers of different branches legislating and prosecuting in the same person and is thus barred by the plain language of Article 3 of the New Mexico Constitution, the legal documents read. Judge Mary Marlowe Sommer granted the prosecution extended time to respond to the motion regarding the special prosecutor on Friday. Alec Baldwin will resume filming Rust at Yellowstone Filming Ranch in Montana in the spring. Alec Baldwin will resume filming Rust at Yellowstone Filming Ranch in Montana in the spring. Santa Fe County Sheriff's Department. Hutchins died October 21, 2021, after a gun Baldwin was holding fired on the set of Rust in New Mexico. The shot also injured director Joel Souza. Prosecutors laid out their case against Baldwin in specific detail in the probable cause statement released January 31 and obtained by Fox News Digital. Baldwin's deviation from known standards, practice, and protocol directly caused the fatal death of Hutchins, the documents state. By not receiving the required training on firearms, not checking the firearm with the armorer, letting the armorer leave the firearms in the church without being present, deviating from the practice of only accepting the firearm from the armorer, not dealing with the safety complaints on set or making sure safety meetings were held, putting his finger on the trigger of a real firearm when a replica or rubber gun should have been used, pointing the firearms at Hutchins and Souza, and the overall handling of the firearms in a negligent manner. Baldwin acted with willful disregard for the safety of others and in a manner which endangered other people, specifically Hutchins and Souza. Alec Baldwin was spotted in New York City after prosecutors announced he would be charged with involuntary manslaughter. Alec Baldwin was spotted in New York City after prosecutors announced he would be charged with involuntary manslaughter. Dario Alequin for Fox News Digital.